Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to be decorating my social media spread for August 9th through the 15th. I am going to use, in case y'all haven't noticed with all my videos this week, I actually ordered three new Live Love Posh sticker books, and so all the stickers are so pretty I couldn't wait to use them. So I'm actually using multiples of her stickers in my videos, in my spreads this week. So anyways, I saw these and I knew that I wanted to use them. Now I'm not going to use them as like a travel spread because I'm not going anywhere, but I am going to use the florals. But I had a really hard time trying to find coordinating boxes, so I pulled out the old teacher colorful boxes. So these are actually formatted to fit the big teacher planner, but a lot of the stickers in here match really well with the colors in these florals. So we're going to be putting this spread together, and like I said, I did go ahead and pre-choose everything. So let's see what we can do with it. Now because these stickers are formatted for the big teacher layout, I did go ahead and cut some of them down, so you can tell that this vertical sticker book or sticker actually had books at the bottom of it, so I cut it and moved it up so that it's just one vertical box. I just went ahead and did a lot of that off camera to save myself some time while I'm filming. I'm going to go ahead and white out these headers because I don't ever use these headers the way that they're intended. Now I want to use this pretty floral up in the corner, but I want to use the vertical box as well. So I'm not really sure where to place this vertical box. So we're going to try it there and see how that looks. I love that Jessica's paper stickers go all the way to the edge of the sticker so that you don't have to cut off any excess. I really like that. Alright, so I think I'm going to move this box down some. Just a little bit. So let's try to move it maybe, I don't know how straight that is. I think it's pretty good. Nope, it's crooked. I see it now. Maybe I should mark, let's go here and start at the bottom and work our way up. That'd probably be the easiest way. So I think we'll start right here and then go up. Probably should have done that to begin with. Okay. Alright, so that is cute like that. And then there's going to be a lot of florals in this spread. Since this is my social media planner, I don't really need like a whole ton of room. So I'm okay with using all these big floral stickers. Alright, that is cute. Now, I do want to stagger this off of the blue box. And so now this was a teacher sticker, and it had like a book with a quote on it. So I cut that off, I whited out the book, and I slid it over to make it look like one solid sticker. So I think I'm just going to layer this maybe right here to cover up where I whited out that header. And Jessica's sticker book has these really cute coffee mugs, so I thought it would be cute to just layer one there. And then I'm going to take, alright, so this was actually, let me show you what it was. It was one of these, okay? And so all I did was cut these out, and then I folded it in half and cut it to make it a flag so that I could cover up this header up top. So there's lots and lots of ways to make a sticker work for you just by customizing it. Alright, so this side is really cute. Let's go to the right page. So I'm going to start down on Sunday. And I'm probably going to end up covering up Sunday. We'll see. I don't know. But it may happen, and if it does, I'm okay with that. But I want this big corner sticker down here. And I'm going to put a sticker up here in this corner, a floral. I told you there's going to be a lot of flowers in this spread. But these flowers are super cute. So I don't mind using a ton of them. Got too many sticker pieces on my scissors. Okay. So I didn't quite go all the way to the corner like I like to, but that's okay. We're going to leave that there. Alright, now I'm going to take, so this is one of the stickers that I told you I used to make that. I'm just going to try to center this to put some blue over here in this pink box. Because I do want everything to coordinate. And we're going to try to center this. I don't know if I can center it exactly, but that's close. Okay. And then I don't know yet what I'm going to do with these boxes. So let me show you what I found here. So I was thinking that I could use this box on Sunday, but I wasn't sure how I was going to make that work without fully covering up Sunday. So let's just hold that thought for a minute. Let's try to do, so this blue box was of course in this teacher sticker book, and this had a blue apple on it. I cut it down, whited out the blue apple, and slid it up to make this size of a box. I still had to white out a little bit right here, but I'm going to cover that up with a floral so you won't even know it. So let's put that there, and then let's put this pink flower here. Okay. And let's take this pink one, which I did the same thing. This one said Teacher's Rule. I whited that out, cut it, and slid it down to make this size box. Let's take this one and put it here. And then we're going to take one of those cute coffee cups that we used on the other side, and we'll put it here. So now I don't know that I really need anything down here. Maybe I could find some flags or bullet points. I don't know. I think this is good enough. I think this spread is cute without filling in the actual empty days. I think there's enough all around the spread. So let's just put it back in my planner. I think it'll work. That was a quick video. So anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you'll give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you would consider subscribing, and make sure if you're on Instagram to follow me over there too. So this is it. I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.